Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing good. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Capcut for your basic video editings. I mean, when I say basic, I mean easy video editings. So if you are a content creator, if you are either you are a YouTuber, a TikToker, or you are from Instagram, this video is for you. You just need to pay attention, okay? So first of all, you need to go and download Capcut if you don't have Capcut in your phone. When you download Capcut, what you need to do is open Capcut like this new project without wasting any time. You go straight to new project. Okay, so please, before we start, if you are new to my channel, if you know you are new here, just please subscribe. Okay, just please go and subscribe before you continue. All right, so the next thing you're going to do here is you find a background that you want to use. So here is the background video I've been looking for, and I just found it. All right, so as you can see here, this is our background video. Let me play it. You see, so if you want to use two videos, let's start with how to make video on a video. If you want to have two videos playing together, like if you want to have the whole video and a video on top of it playing, so just look at how I'm going to do it. Let me show you how to put a photo on a video first. You see, this is a video, right? So if you want to put a photo on top of this video, what you are going to do is here you touch on text. You see text here in the middle, you touch it, text. You see stickers, then you touch stickers. When you touch stickers, it's going to show you something like this. I hope my connection is not terrible at the moment. All right, you see stickers here, we have stickers here. What you need to do is you slide this thing to the right. You slide this, you see, slide to the right. You're gonna see this plus. You touch it like this. When you touch it, it's gonna show, it's gonna bring you here. So you just touch what you wanna put. You see, you just put a photo on your video. You just put a photo on top of your video. You see, it's gonna keep playing like this. So we are done with this. This is easy, but there is an alternative way, which is, I think, is more better than this way. So we are going to use the alternative way. All right, okay, so let me show you the alternative way. Let me delete this. I will delete it like this. So you see, can you see down here, when you look at, we have edit, audio, text, effects, and overlay. So we're gonna use overlay. All right, so you touch on overlay. If you want to add, you see add overlay, you touch it and you add your photo. Here is the photo that you want to add. Let me show you. You want to add a photo, anyone you want to add a photo. Let's go to, screenshots. So I have different multiple of, let's go to download. All right, give me a second. Sorry, we have downloads here, downloads. So this is where to download photos. Sorry, not here. Oh my god. So I want to show you how to add photo on photo. So as you can see, I just want to add this photo, and I want to show you this as an example. Okay, so you touch this and add it. You touch add and you add your photo. This is the photo I just add right now. So the difference between this and the other way I showed you before is this is more, you can edit this, you can remove the background using this splice. You see splice down here, so you touch splice. When you touch splice, you see the second one, which is filter. You touch the filter. You see, I have just removed the background. You see, it's just it. Okay, so this is, I think, for you to use the sticker, the one I show you at the is better for you to use this, the overlay, than the one with the from the sticker option. Okay, so I think this is better, because this you can remove the background if you want. All right, so let's go to the next. Make sure you have something black and white if you want to remove the background in here in splice. So let's see how to put video on a video. So video on a video is the same thing. You touch your overlay here. You see the overlay here, you touch on overlay. This, we have a video here already. It's a video here down here. So at the background is a video, and if you want to add another video, you touch overlay. When you touch on overlay, you touch video. Any video you want to add, you add. You see, add a video. So you see video is two videos are going to be playing right now. You see videos are playing. This is a video and the other one is video too. You see, So it's a video playing in a video. So this is how to make a video on a video playing on a video. Okay, so this is the same method some people are using to do a reaction videos. People use this same method to do reaction videos, please. So please, if you are new to my channel, I need you to subscribe now. Okay, let's continue. And the next thing I'm going to show you is so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to use ratio on your videos. How to use ratio on your video. You need to know we have the categories here. If you are using, if you are making your videos for TikTok, you're going to touch this. You see aspect ratio in here. This is, we are here. When you want to see the aspect ratio, you slide to the left. You slide to the left, you see aspect ratio, second to the last. Then you touch aspect ratio. When you touch it like this, it's gonna show you. You see this, we have logo of TikTok. If your video is for TikTok, you touch this. You see they just change the size. If your video is for YouTube, you touch this one, YouTube. You see, so if your video is for Instagram, you touch this one. You see, so that's how you change your ratio. Okay, so and let's continue. You can see this is just how to change the ratio. It is very easy. All right, so if you want to know how to, the next thing is I will show you how to edit a template. I will show you how to edit a template. So if you want to write something here, if you want to make a good writing, and you know most of people are lazy, they don't want to start their own, they don't want to start from beginning, from initial. They want a ready-made stuff, right? So if you want something that is already made and you just want to use it, I will show you how to do it. You touch text here, you touch text here. You see, instead for you to touch add text, no, you slide to the left. You're going to see text templates here. We have text templates, and then I touch text templates. We have multiple sub templates here. We have multiple of templates in here, so we are going to I'm going to show you how to use them. All right, so you see templates here. You see this, you can use any of this. You can just edit it if you want to write something with this. So let me show you how to use templates here. If you, for your video editing, you see, let me touch this food blog. Okay, all right, so as you can see, I just touch it here. Let me see. So even though the network is terrible, but I will keep trying. You see, you have food blog. You touch the food here. If you want to edit the food part, you touch the food here. You see, you can edit it and write what you want. You see, I will write Mayan here. Mayan. You see the vlog, I will write lyrics. 9 lyrics, you see. So you see, this is more easy for you to go and start from write something, go to do the editings. You know, are gonna waste more time. So, but you can just use this if you want. My lyrics, this you can edit the middle too if you wanna. Yeah, I will edit it. I'll write something. Let me edit it and write something here. So you know, content creator. Content. I'm just going, you know, content creator. Content creator. You see mine. Content creator lyrics. You see, so you can just save if you want. You can save it like this. You see. So this is easy. Instead for you to go and start doing your own, it's gonna take you time, but you can come here and use the one that you think is gonna be easy for you. As you can see, you have made something very clean here. You see, my own content creator, something like that. So after that, I'm gonna show you the next thing I'm gonna show you in this video is also very easy. You just need to pay attention, like I always used to say. You just need to pay attention. All right. So the next thing I'm going to show you is, a lot of people have been asking me how I used to put a phone, how did I used to do that. I used to put a phone screen on my video like this. So do you see, this is a screenshot, screen record. So sometimes I used to put I used to put it on a phone like an iPhone, you know, a background, a phone background. Okay, so people been asking me how to do that, most especially the YouTubers, even the TikTokers used to ask me about this. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You first of all, you press on text. When you touch text here, you're going to see stickers. You see stickers here, you touch on stickers, you slide to the right, you slide to the right, you slide to the right, you're gonna see this. You see this like a computer screen, and then you touch it like this. When you touch it like this, you see, you're gonna see different screens here. So any screen you want to use here, you just touch it and you can use it. So the one I'm actually using is this one. See, you see, this is the one I'm using. So it's like an iPhone screen. So you see, I can just put it like this, I can just edit it like this to the size of my screenshot like this. So and like this, so I'll put it like this and I'll be playing my videos inside. You see how cute. All right, so this is how to put this phone screen on top of your video. All right, so if you want to use other screen, you can use whatever type of screen you want to use. Let me use a different screen for you to see. Let me delete this and use a different screen for you to see. All right, you see touch sticker, you come here and you see a television. You see this is a TV, and if you like, you can use this TV. This is going to be in the TV. Let me touch that overlay. Let me show you. When you touch the overlay, you're gonna see this. You see video. If you like, you can minimize. You see the TV. You see the video is in the TV, right? So if you want to use this, you can use this. Whatever anyone you think you want to use, you can use it. All right, let's see what I'm gonna show you. All these are easy and basic things, and I guess they are gonna help you on your video editing journey. And if you apply these things into action, so I guess it's gonna help you a lot, and it is gonna change your story. So let's see what we are gonna do next. So I think that's all for now. So if you are new to my channel, like I promise, I will be updating you with stuff like this. And if you know you have a question you want to ask, you can just put your question, drop it on the comment section. And I have a Telegram group if you want to join. If you want to join my Telegram group, I'm going to drop the link to my Telegram group, and I'm going to drop the link to my WhatsApp group. So anyone you think you want to join, you can join. I'll be dropping the links to my new videos there, so you can go and watch. And if you have some questions you want to ask me, you can go and ask me. Thank you for watching my lyrics.